Hey everyone, this is a quick example about rationalizing the denominator. This was asked by a student, so I went ahead and made this video for you guys. If you have any questions, just please leave in the comments below. Alright, a problem like this we would expect to see, and this one would be asking you to rationalize the denominator. Alright, so we don't want, because we got that square root in the denominator, we don't want it there. So we've got to rationalize it, because right now it's got that radical, and that makes it irrational, I suppose. Good. We will have to multiply the denominator, the whole thing, right? And be careful, because in general we just kind of want to square this thing, and then we'd say we'd have 10 over x minus 4. Bam. And that looks pretty good. It's very simple. It's just wrong. All right. So don't do that on any test, including the final, because then you would get no credit at all. To rationalize a denominator like this, we need to multiply it by its conjugate. All right. So its conjugate, in this case, we keep the same 2, the square root of x and 2, but we just changed the sign in between them. So it was minus 2, so now we're going to make it plus 2. We just need to remember as well that if we multiply that in the denominator, we need to multiply it in the numerator as well. Now that's a difference of squares for the two binomials in the denominator, right there. I mean, if you wanted to distribute the square root of x and then this 2 right here, that'd be fine. In any case, you'd get x minus 4. Alright, so let's show the work on that, alright? So I started with that square root of x, and I need to multiply it by the red parentheses. And then I've also got the negative 2, and I'm multiplying it by the red parentheses. I guess the way I have it written up there, it looks like I'm just distributing it to that square root of x. But it's to the whole set of parentheses on that, alright? Now I would distribute the square root of x into the set of parentheses. So square root of x times the square root of x is x. Well, the square root of x squared, but it's just x. And then we're going to add 2 of these square roots of x. And then I need to distribute my negative 2 as well. So I got negative 2 times the square root of x. And negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Now we should be able to see right there that the two middle terms are going to cancel out right here. Right? Positive 2 square roots of x minus 2 square roots of x gives us 0 square roots of x. So they cancel out. Right? So that's how we got that x minus 4 stuff. But in the numerator at the top, right, I would need to distribute this 10 as well. So that's 10 times the square root of x plus 2 times 10 is 20. And we should look for a way to simplify right here if we could, right? I don't see any way to do that. Like if you wanted to factor and say, I factored, now I feel like it's simplified. That's good. I'm not going to. I'm good. We rationalized the denominator. That's all they asked us to do. And we did. So we're done. Now the worst possible thing I could see on this is this. Because you did so much work, or even something like this. You did so much work, you did it great, and then you ruined it. Okay, don't ruin it. I'm telling you guys this because I see it, alright? I don't want you guys to do that garbage.